and crashing all into sand. Where? Oh, it got to go up in space. And even like that, it goes around the solar system and each planet around the store and gave it planets like Earth.
I see.
And moon is on Earth, and moon is fighting Earth and crashing. Now it's a super hot ball.
Super hot ball. Mm.
And now it's Do-si-do.
What is that?
It's Do-si-do.
It's Do-si-do.
It's Do-si-do.
Mm.
It's one way and crunches the moon.
I see.
Inside Lava is ice baby a new robot.
A robot.
A robot that is our neighbor. Is our neighbor. Inside say our neighbor inside Lava and got sign on the moons.
Mm.
Now a giant. The moon is on a red giant, and the giant planets, the crash ends.
Mm.
In the solar system.
The giant planet.
There's still a giant one part to it.
Mm.
And crash ends into the sun.
And crash into the sun?
Yes. The moon is crashing into the giant. Into the moon. And crashing.
Crash into a giant moon? Is that what you're saying?
I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to inhabitants.
No, honey, you don't want it?
Tiny little particles
This
of the matter.
Particles of the matter?
I'm hungry. I'm pushing on Nile.
This is mine?
Pushing
on
mine.
Nile?
No, it's pushing on Nile again. And create the
Pushing
push
on Nile?
It's to create the push on Nile again
Oh,
already.
I
And
see.
and comes down.
What comes down?
Now Clinton is the moon.
What comes down?
Yes, they go around Sundays and they create the ground. And now they happens.
Mm.
And some rocks smash into the and comes a red giant and from the other star.
From the other star?
Yes, the moon. They push and comes the moon and crash into sun.
Crash into sun. Mm.
It's not good.
I see.
And this is a rock. And the giant cactus and
The rock
back
flying in
and
the
forth.
giant galaxy? Is that what
Yeah.
you're saying?
It's galaxies. Put the galaxies together.
Galaxies together?
Yes.
Okay.
The four planets come and took that young star
Oh,
already.
I see.
And I come down to Ohio.
Doesn't that giant star, doesn't that rock go inside a giant star?
Yes.
Giant star's mouth?
And crashing back in for being in sand. All dig around sand and crashing up. And this is a rocket.
Oh, this is a rocket, okay.
And crashing always out. We should
I can search something.
crashing out inside lava inside an Io.
Giant lava and giant what? Iron.
It's I was his I neighbor again. A new robot.
On the robot?
That's on my robot.
Oh.
Where is it?
Talk about black hole.
Black hole. A black hole. And too much. I will black hole.
What?
It's a black hole.
Okay.
No, come down already. Walk by those moons. Now those now it's really different.
It's really different now?
Go inside the black hole
Mm-hmm.
and telescopes. Now it's really different.
I see.
And go inside the black hole.
Inside the black hole.
Yeah.
What if you go inside the black hole? Will you come out?
If we come out and get away
No,
from the black hole.
if we go inside the black hole, we can't come out.
We can't come out
Mm-mm.
and get away from the black hole.
Yeah, you have to get away from the black hole.
I see you.
Mm-hmm. What about supernova?
So look out in space and tiny particles in new matter.
Tiny particles